Mourinho, Sarri, Lampard and Xavi. Una welcome.
My
Thank you, my guy.
how you there?
I dey fine, sir. Oga Sarri, I forgot to congratulate you the other day on top your new job for Lazio. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Joe. So you don't get job? I go wait for you, jobless man.
Lampard, no mind the guy. Then go soon sack him.
Now you want sack me? You give me job?
Just the watch now.
Oga Sarri, so far for the Euro Cup, your country Italy don't win their first 2 games, and they don't extend their unbeaten to 29 games and clean sheets to 10 games. It be like seeing them hot pass for this competition, no?
Nah. Carry this here nonsense talk. Come out from my front, Joe. People with them carry put for your group. We no get ambition. Waiting this one that talk.
No be lying now. Which thing for that in a group get the ambition to qualify from group stage?
Which kind nonsense question you dey ask me like this?
You see the guy no sabi.
Oga Xavi, help me see more question no.
See waiting. No be like them they talk now. Switzerland who have been this a complete tournament. After their games against Italy, I come realize say their Euro campaign na cruise. Now only Italy did the group.
Thunder fire all of una. It be like say una wan use me do pepper soup this hot afternoon. It no go work. Na jealousy plus thunder go kill una. Waiting this one they talk. Now who jealous for here? You da try whine me? On top of that excess hype una nonsense media hype una. No be ordinarily bele and call play una 0-0. If una no fit handle that small boy, na judging how una wan con handle. If I be una, I go kukuma pack my bag they go house because nothing there for una for this tournament. Nah, you know what you they talk. Make we catch you first. Not there, make mouth, we are mouth, not there. If I jam your bar and you beat me, chai, I swear make I get struck for mouth. Okay now.
I don't get prayer points. Person must to catch stroke for mouth.
Meanwhile, Oga Xavi, I don't know how una go forget to bring striker. Fernando Torres wey don retire better pass that guy wey they call himself Molata. I be una think say na possession the win game.
They run your mouth. You no go still carry any trophy. You no go even reach finals.
Make with the watch now.
Oga Mourinho, who you feel say go carry the golden boot?
Which kind of question come be this one? I be Ronaldo don retire? Or who else one carry am?
Oga, come out for here, Joe.
See person where they talk. Na Hurricane one carry am.
Not the call strikers wey forget to carry boots come tournament. Na Chelo Immobile go carry am.
That boy would only score after he don't miss 10 chances.
At least he still dey score goal. No be Molata wey no sabi where post dey.
What of that Czech guy, Schick?
Person wey go soon come out from competition. Na teams wey dey reach semi-finals and the above. They carry players wey go carry golden boot. Czech, England, Spain, Ololo and the Disciples. None of them go reach semi-finals.
Amadio her French kiss you there.
You know what I collect your nonsense mouth, idiot.